This Jag XE in for the time and chain, turbo, and a clutch. Well and truly hammered. I haven't seen many of these in a manual, but annoyingly we can only get the new clutch from Jag, which is a bit of a dear do. A nice oily turbo, throttle body's off. Got some play in it there as well. So whip that off. Turbo's off. Full of oil. One thing we noticed while we were here, obviously that's boost pipes full of oil as well. EGR coolers on these are a nightmare. They thought it was a good idea. You can see that. Just put a filter inside the EGR cooler. So while we're here, with the throttle body off, turbo out of the way, we shall take that off, give it a clean. Prevents any issues further on. So this is why we take them off. Obviously you've got your EGR cooler there, nice open and clear, and then they put the finest mesh over the top, so that clogs up, but it'll bring up DPF faults. I've seen quite a few wrongly diagnosed DPF, blocked DPFs, and it's down to airflow restriction. It's just literally take that out, give it a clean. I'll give it a clean now and then show you putting it back on. So it's as simple as getting a pick, there we go. Let's see when you hold that to the light, the point where it's supposed to breathe through the most, it's well completely block solid. So drop that in some cleaner, leave that while we get the rest back together. Here's the new chain fitted. It's nice and tight. Lovely job. Climb up the turbo. I'm a bit happy with that one. New clutch flywheel fitted, timer chain back together. Let's get the gearbox back on.